Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to compare Tiago 2020 XZ with the previous model 2019 or 2018 XZ which I already have. I will highlight the main points here. So let's see what are the changes in this 2020 model. The first and foremost change is the front bumper, and it looks a bit nice and sporty. The grille is new, and you can see the fog lamp mount is also new. The headlamp assembly is also new. In this Tiago XZ model you won't get the projector headlamp. A halogen headlamp is given across all the model. Radiator grille has been changed, and the design of the bonnet is also changed. So let's go into the engine bay to see what are the changes done inside under the hood. From here we can open the bonnet. Okay, so this is the engine bay of brand new Tiago XZ 2020 model. This air filter assembly has been changed. It is sitting very tight and right. There will be no rattling noise from this assembly. And this is the BS6 catalytic converter. The rest of the things are looking quite same. The headlamp assembly is changed, and this grille has been changed a little bit. This spray unit for washer fluid is fixed over here. In earlier model this was located on the top of the bonnet. This insulation has come as factory fitted, so this has changed. This has reduced the NVH level. Also the insulation of the internal firewall has been done very nicely, which reduced the NVH level, and the wiper blades are also changed. The design of the wiper blade is changed in new Tiago. So this is the overall engine bay. So now let's go into the rear side of the car. The rear is almost same, but the bumper is changed and the logo is over here in the middle. You can see there is a notch to mount the camera. In XZ model there is no reverse parking camera, but in top XZ Plus model you will get reverse parking camera. So this look pretty well. There is no badging of the model like XZ, XT, XZ Plus, etc. So this is the rear bumper. This type of notch is given for sporty look, and this is also available in front bumper as well. This one, this notch. So this gives the sporty look to the car. So now let's come inside the cabin. Let me turn on the light. Okay, it is already turned on. The cabin looks okay. The upholstery fabric is changed. The design is little changed. This is double stitched. First and foremost thing what I can see, the gear knob design is changed. Earlier it used to be a little different, but now this knob design is changed. The steering is a new unit. This is flat bottom steering. Steering mounted audio controls are over here, and the horn is here and at the right hand side. This middle portion is for airbag. You can see this is fully digital instrument cluster panel. There is no analog dial over here, and this looks quite good. Earlier it used to be there in JTB model, and now it is in Tiago from all variant. This is 7-inch touchscreen, and it has Harman unit, and in earlier Tiago XZ model this touchscreen model was not available, but in 2020 Tiago this touchscreen has been introduced. So these are the main changes which I noticed in this 2020 Tiago XZ model, and the change is done very nicely. It has not been changed very drastically from the previous model, but it has been taken care very nicely, and only the required areas are considered for changed. So this is all from my side. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.